Total Chaos bed stiffeners really come beautifully packed. It's really kind of a testament to thinking about design, how they lay it out. They put the instructions and the careful padding is all beautifully laid out, but just those little touches show you that Total Chaos is thinking about things beyond just the product. So we really like that. The instructions, you can see, are found on their website. They have actually many instructions all listed at that page. It's fantastic, check it out. And so yeah, just love how it's all laid out prior to install. Now let's get into the actual install. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna remove this bed bolt, that's a 55 Torx. So you're gonna remove this tie down. This is a 40. We're gonna remove this because we're gonna need to put the brace here. And then we're gonna take out these bolts here so that we can pull the tail light out, because we're gonna put supporting bolts in here. We're gonna drill through this, and to do that we need to pull out the tail light. And then finally there's a bolt up here that's gonna come out as well, because that's gonna be part of the top of the brace. The brace you see is beautifully designed. It has this curve right here. So it's gonna tuck right up in there and go to that existing spot, and then these two as well. So we're gonna show this to you in time lapse to save time. Whip through it and we'll show you how it all comes together.